All right, guys, we are on the last stop of our wonderful condo Thursday tours, and this is Splash. Splash is an amazing property on the far west end of Panama City Beach, and this is where, if you got the kiddos, this is where you want to be, and we're going to show you why. But just coming in this lobby screams kiddos. What? They got a fidget spinner on the ceiling. Beautiful building. There are two buildings for this complex. Massive parking garage. And they have their own gift shop, which apparently is not open right now, or I would be getting Claire like a candy bar or something. I feel like it's candy bar time. But this, to me, has like a Disney feel. You know, it's got that whole
definite Disney feel, and I was feeling a little bit like an aquarium almost.
Yeah. Exactly.
Like
well, it is Splash, like Splash.
And
that's Splash. I'm gonna take a little picture here. What's that? Don't forget
Alan's Island is right next to it.
Yes. So if you know, after your kid kills their 15th floaty, that's where you go get another one.
Or if they're like my niece and just say I can pack on my own, and they only bring one pair of panties and one swimsuit.
And then go. Maybe even well, I guess you can get a toothbrush at the gift store, maybe. Might be something you need. All right, we're gonna go hit the amenities. We will hit you back. Bye now. Claire!
Bye.
Can you hear me? Well, obviously you hear me. You just responded.
No, I can't.
This is look, it's gonna go. It's gonna go. Look. Oh! Oh my God, that's so fun. I want to do it. That's amazing.
You wouldn't let me get in the pool at Onsale, but I'm getting in here.
If you get in this pool, they're going to call the police. That's not how we're going to finish this day, young lady. No one over 14 allowed on the slides. Do you see that? Do you see that?
I'm 13.
Okay. Youngest real estate agent ever.
Oh, they have a...
Okay, it's going to do it again. One more time. Woo! Claire, what are you doing?
This is my kind of place.
Oh my gosh. Please help me.
Okay, y'all, we made it upstairs to one of the units on the east tower of Splash. We are in a 1-bedroom, 2-bath with bunks. This is plank tile flooring. We've got another full bathroom right here, which leads straight into the kitchen from the hallway. Got your stove, oven, microwave, full-size sink. You also got Sharon taking a nap. She comes with the unit.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. We've got this balcony out here with gorgeous views from the 17th floor of the Gulf. Look how flat she is today. Gorgeous. Green water, helicopters flying over. Beautiful views. East end of Panama City. You got Pier Park Pier right there. Going over to the west end into 30A and Destin. Come take a tour with us. This unit is available and affordable.
All right, one more little stop. One more little stop. We're in the arcade. So, Claire, you got any money?
You won't let me
Claire!
I'm doing this.
Do you have any money to put in it to make it move?
I need money for this.
I don't have any money.
You make more money than me. You're a
No, honey, I've just been doing it a lot longer. You're gonna get there. Okay. Well, I guess that's how we're gonna end this tour. Is Claire looking out at the water on the pony?
It's like I'm on Seabiscuit.
Oh yeah, it's just like that. All right, so do your thing, girl. So yeah, they've got a really cool arcade in here. Those take your money. You ain't winning nothing out of that. I don't care what they tell you. All right, so this wraps it up, guys. Thanks again. And we are gonna maybe go get a cocktail. I don't know. Maybe. We're getting a cocktail?
I found this magic sand.
Oh my God. All right, Claire says goodbye.
Bye. All right, y'all. We toured lots of condos today. Please make sure you check out all of our videos. After today, we're getting some refreshing drinks.
And, thank you so much for joining us. We wanted to, let you know that we actually are serious realtors. We just like to have fun and enjoy ourselves, and hopefully you enjoyed yourself too. But just to show you how serious we are, we're going to show you our serious face now. You ready? Okay. Come on, you can do it. Come on, one more time. Serious face. Claire.
I'm trying.
Come on, okay. Third time. Ready? Okay. 1, 2, serious. Yeah, we're not serious. But we are serious about our business, and we do a great job with our clients. So if you'd like to reach out to us, my name is Sharon Delaney, Caldwell Banker Realty.
And I'm Claire Newton with Counts Real Estate.
We'll give them our phone numbers too. What's your phone number?
334-618-7477. Call or text day or night.
Not all night.
All night long.
Oh, God. And I'm 850-867-6915. Do not call me all night long, but I am up pretty late. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Please check out all of our videos, and we'll see you again. Life is wonderful out at the beach. Cheers.
Bye, y'all. Say bye. Say bye.
Oh, me?